LBJ Hospital is the only main hospital on the island, and because we are geographically isolated, we face many challenges. LBJ provides both inpatient and outpatient services to the community, approximately 60,000.
60 on the medical staff catering to 60,000. So that is one doctor for every 1,000 people. It's impossible, right? So you need to recruit from off-island. Once you arrive to American Samoa, we assist by providing temporary housing at our locum units on campus. We also provide an allowance for off-campus living. LBJ is an eligible site for the National Health Service Corps. This is a loan repayment program for certain providers in the areas of physicians, dentists, PAs, NPs, and mental health and behavioral health professionals.
We have an emergency room department, pediatric internal medicine, surgical orthopedic, OBGYN, anesthesia, and dentistry. Supporting services, we have a pharmacy, we have a laboratory, x-ray, physiotherapy, and respiratory therapy.
Coming from a metropolitan city area in California, you're used to a very fast-paced type of life. Everything is go, go, go. You're used to getting things done in a moment's notice. So here you will have to get used to businesses shutting down at 4, things shut down on Sunday. That was something I had to get used to. You can't go and do shopping on Sundays because everyone really takes that day of rest, which is nice because it really focuses on family and culture, and you can just really enjoy the peace and relaxation of island living without having to do chores. So that was something to get used to.
American Samoa is a beautiful, amazing island. I love, I've got 3 little boys. We go hiking, camping, fishing, spearfishing. They're a little bit too young, but they'll go snorkeling with me and look under the water, and it's just like Finding Nemo. That's definitely our favorite thing to do, is to go swimming and go to the beaches here. And I also love to surf. The surf is amazing here in American Samoa, not crowded at all, and the waves are spectacular.
But we also speak English. So that's a good thing. When you come here, language will not be so much a barrier. If you are in a setting where the patient only speaks Samoan, you can always talk to your nurse. Your nurse is gonna help you translate.
My patients that I treat are so happy. They're so grateful for anything that I can possibly do for them. And they're so warm in the dental chair, and then when I go out into the community, I see them everywhere I go, and they smile, and they're so happy to see me being part of this community that is so warm and inviting, and that's one thing I really enjoy about working.
When you come here, you'll notice that you don't live in a community, you live more in a family. Your neighbors will know you. The guy 3 trash cans down the road will know you. Everybody knows each other, so I'm not afraid to let my nieces and nephews run around.
One of the challenges that we have is that we do have very limited resources when it comes to people and supplies. So for example, if our flight doesn't come in on Friday and we're expecting all of our medical supplies and there's something wrong with the airplane, we do have to be very creative. So we pull together with all the departments, reach out to some of our counterparts and professionals in Hawaii to really get what we need to for the patient.
Being part of a small hospital and the only hospital here on island, we need as many providers and all providers possible.
I would say come for the experience. It's not financial gain that we gain here. It's something beyond monetary or numbers. It's like true altruism. It's what real physicians are for. We were trained so we can go to where we're needed. There is a big need here in all specialties, in all areas of medical field.
My recommendation for anyone in the medical field who is interested in trying out a slower pace of life, who is willing to come to an area where you won't have all the technology at your fingertips, but it really just makes you reach out and think outside the box, that would be someone that would really enjoy this type of environment. Someone who wants to explore, someone who wants to try a completely different type of lifestyle.
We are known as the Motu of Fiafianga, so it's an island of happiness or island of entertainment, and our people are great people to work with. So if that's not a benefit, I don't know what is.
If you're looking for an adventure, if you're looking for somewhere to go have fun, to really do some service to people who really need it, and to be a part of this diverse culture, then American Samoa is the place for you, and LBJ Tropical Medical Center is a great place that you're really going to enjoy.
To maintain a certain level of competency and to be good at your job, you have to be challenged. This is the challenge. Come, see if you can take it.